A man and a woman are sitting beside each other in the first-class section of a plane. The woman sneezes, takes a tissue, gently wipes her nose, and shudders quite violently in her seat for about 10 seconds. The man finds the shuddering a bit strange, but decides to ignore it and goes back to reading. A few minutes pass. The woman sneezes again. She takes a tissue, gently wipes her nose and shudders quite violently in her seat. The man is becoming more and more curious about the shuddering, but eventually goes back to his reading. A few more minutes pass. The woman sneezes yet again. She takes a tissue, gently wipes her nose and shudders even more violently than before. The man has finally had all he can handle. He turns to the woman and says, "3 times you've sneezed, and 3 times you've taken a tissue and wiped your nose, then shuddered all over the place. Are you all right?" The woman replies, "I'm sorry if I disturbed you. I have a rare condition. Each time that I sneeze, I have an..." Man, now feeling a little embarrassed but even more curious, says, "I've never heard of that condition before. Are you taking anything for it?" The woman answers, "I sure am. Pepper,